Hey guys, Jennifer here with the Family Fudge, and today's video is sponsored by Capri Sun. Now I have lots of fun and easy lunch ideas to share with you today, but I'm not actually making the lunches. The kids are going to make them themselves. And I'm going to be sharing all of my best tips and tricks when it comes to helping kids become more independent when it comes to making and packing their own lunches. Tip number 1, if I want the kids to be able to make their own lunch, everything has to be in a place where they can find it and reach it. I don't know about you guys, but for me, when I can't reach things, it is super frustrating. In our new pantry, I have a bin near the bottom that holds some of our favorite lunch containers, and I also have other containers that hold all the other supplies that they might need. Things like sandwich cutters and silicone liners. Another important step is pantry organization. Instead of having lots of boxes and bags open all over the place, I like to use these large clear containers with easy open lids. That way, with just a quick glance, the kids can see what we have and make a decision about what they want to add to their own lunch. Oh yes, and these containers also help make sure that the food stays fresh. No more stale crackers or soggy pretzels. Another really helpful tip is to prepare your fruits and veggies beforehand. This includes washing and prepping some things and slicing others. I often try to cut fruits and veggies in fun ways to make them more appealing. I like to prepare a couple days worth of fruits and veggies at a time. That way I'm not prepping too much. I like to store my fruits and vegetables in containers with a sealed lid, so they can stay nice and fresh. Preparing these things for the week is definitely going to save you tons of time and make packing lunches a whole lot easier, especially when the kids are putting the lunches together themselves. First up, Lily is going to share her lunch with us.
Hi guys! For my lunch today, my main dish is cheese and crackers. I'm just going to grab a few things from the pantry first. I also love carrots and grapes, so I'm going to grab those things from the fridge next. Oops, I forgot to grab the cheese. And my favorite drink, Capri Sun in the berry flavor. Now that I have all the supplies, I'm going to add my silicone liners. And then I'm going to add my crackers. Now I'm going to fold my cheese into small pieces, add them to my lunchbox. Next I'll add the pepperoni, because I love pepperoni. Now it's time to make some grape skewers. And now I'll add some carrots. And don't forget the ranch. I love carrots and ranch. For my snack today, I'm going to add these vegetable sticks to my cool reusable bag. And for my treat, I'm gonna have some chocolate chips. I'm gonna fill this little container right here. It's really easy to pack my own lunch when everything is super organized. It's my turn to pack my lunch. Today, I'm going to have a turkey, cheese, and spinach wrap, cucumbers with ranch dressing, and some popcorn on the side. For my fruit, I'm going to take a banana and I'm going to put it in this cool banana holder so it doesn't get squashed. And for my drink, I chose a Capri Sun in the fruit punch flavor. While I'm loading my lunchbox, I'm going to put an ice pack on top of my wrap to keep it cool. And then I'm going to put my Capri Sun on top of it to keep my drink cool. And I'm ready to go. For my lunch today, I'm going to have a peanut butter and strawberry jam sandwich. And I'm going to pick a star cutter to cut my sandwich. I also like celery and these yummy pretzel sticks. For my fruit today, I'm taking an apple. And for my drink is a Capri Sun in the berry flavor. It tastes great. Now I just add everything to my lunchbox and pack my bag, and I'm ready to go.
Now if you like this video today, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And again, a big thanks to Capri Sun for sponsoring this video.
Bye guys!
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.